And so I thought I would listen to some suitable music. This is fado music, which is sung sadness is how I've heard it described, but it's very beautiful. So you'll be hearing clips of this while I'm cooking.
Muito tempo fui-me tornando, digamos assim, obcecado por esta coisa quase utópica que é
So while I have the Portuguese podcast in the background, just something I'm doing differently with this recipe. I don't really like soy sauce very much. I don't really have anything brewed. So I'm going to use ginger and mustard and the cornstarch and just lots of salt and pepper and just see if I can do that. And the peanuts will go in at the end. So in Portuguese, this dish is called Frango Xadrez. I think I've said that right. But when my dad sent me the recipe and I looked at the picture, I thought, oh, that's Kung Pao chicken. And that's exactly what it is. So because I don't use soy sauce, I'm going to add a tiny bit of Marmite, just so that it has that dark sauce. But I'm sure any of my friends in China would think that was crazy. But there you go. So this needs to cook down about 5-10 minutes now, just so that it has a nice rich sauce. And the Marmite's making it look a little bit soy sauce. And I cooked up some brown rice as well, some jasmine rice there, which is ready, so I can put that. Oh, it's very nice. I've never made it before. That's delicious.